All right, to add a favicon onto your website, this is what you need to do. So a favicon is this little icon up here that appears for your website. So if I go to, say, our website, for example, you can see this icon appears up here. This is the favicon. It allows people to see them through through the tabs themselves. To add it, you come down to your online store, click on themes, click on customize. This will open up this page here. Now, every theme is a little different. So if you've got a paid theme or a different theme to the default theme, they will be in a different place, but they're all in basically the same order. So you go down to theme settings, and they'll have something like logo or appearance or something to that effect. You open this up, and then if I move my camera, click here, go to this favicon icon. You click on select image. So I'm just going to go, I'll select any image here. So obviously you upload your own images. So I'm going to have this little image as my thing. And I'm going to hit save. And now this here is going to be my favicon. So if I go view, you can see now the favicon has appeared. So this is now my favicon. So obviously you want this to be your logo. You want them to be this specific size. You do need to make them lower. If you try to make a big logo to go down, it can cause issues. So just go into Canva, edit the size down to this, and upload your image, and that's how you add the favicon.